Dear students, I am Arya Bhatt, lecturer zoology. Our topic is digestion and absorption. In continuation to the series of lectures regarding this topic, we are today discussing the functions of stomach. It is class 11th. The stomach has so many functions and an important role to play in this process of digestion, since it is the main organ of the human digestive system or human alimentary canal. The very first function of stomach is it stores ingested food for churning and mechanical breaking. For churning and mechanical breaking, first function, it stores the ingested food ingested food for churning and mechanical breaking. Since the food, when it reaches the stomach or enters the stomach after passing through esophagus, it is in a semi-solid state. Here it is to be churned and its form is to be further changed, that is called as mechanical breaking. The mechanical breaking of this food in the stomach involves the interfere of certain enzymes which are produced by the stomach. The second function is the food undergoes partial digestion with the help of enzymes produced by the stomach. As I said, when the enzymes produced by the stomach, they act over this food, it is further partially broken down. It is further partially digested here, and that digestion takes place with the help of these enzymes. Enzymes are, for example, there is a secretion of motilin, which is an enzyme as well as a hormone, and there is secretion of HCl as well. The HCl or the hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid or HCl, produced by the stomach, helps in the digestion of this food. Here it has to play an important role in this process of digestion. Third function is the stomach produces Cassell's intrinsic factor. Cassell's intrinsic factor. Cassell's intrinsic factor, or it is called IF. IF or Cassell's intrinsic factor. This is essential for the absorption of vitamin B12. This IF or intrinsic factor, it is essential for the absorption of vitamin B12. As we know, every one of us is aware of this fact that the food we take is always a mixture of certain components, or that we call as a balanced diet, a balanced food, and that food contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, mineral salts, etc. These substances or nutrients are to be digested and then absorbed in the organs of this digestive system. And one of them here we discuss, that is vitamin. And among vitamins there is vitamin B12. This vitamin B12 is digested here in stomach, and the factor that helps in the digestion of this vitamin B12, that is called as Cassell's intrinsic factor or IF, which helps this vitamin B12 to get digested. And then there is another function or fourth function, that is it secretes gastrin for the stimulating secretions of gastric juice. There is production of gastric juice in the stomach, and for the production of this, gastrin is to be secreted here. This gastric juice is also important for the digestion of our food. And then there is another function which I said already, that is the organ produces hormone motilin, which I already discussed here, motilin. This motilin is a hormone as well. It helps the stomach in the churning of food, which I said you earlier in the first function, that the food after it enters the stomach, it is to be churned and mechanically broken down. This churning process takes place with the help of this motilin. This motilin plays an important role. Motilin hormone plays an important role in it, makes the stomach able to churn this food. In the process of this churning, it stimulates the process of churning. Motilin stimulates the process of churning. That is, it stimulates the process of this churning, which is important for the digestion of this food material in the stomach. Fifth function of the stomach is it is the site for the absorption of sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol. Stomach is site. It is the site for the digestion. It is the site for the absorption, not digestion. I'm sorry, absorption. Fifth function of the stomach. Fifth function of the stomach is that stomach is the site for absorption of sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol. Since you know that we consume the food and food can only benefit us, it can perform its necessities only and only when it is properly digested and absorbed. The food also involves sugars. Different times we take different medicines or drugs, and water also. Water is an important constituent of our food, and some persons are addicted, that is they use or consume the alcohol. These substances, sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol, sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol, sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol. these are mainly absorbed by the stomach. Stomach is the organ, or stomach is the site for the absorption of these substances. Rest of the food material, after it passes through the stomach, the process of stomach is completed. The process of stomach, in the digestion, yeah, the digestive process in the stomach is completed. It passes through duodenum into the small intestine for further absorption. But these substances, sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol, they are absorbed here in the stomach because it is the site. Therefore, we call it, since these substances are absorbed only in the stomach, we call the stomach as site for the absorption of these substances: sugar, drugs, water, and alcohol. Rest of the food material, that passes through duodenum into the small intestine, and that their food material is absorbed there. This was about the functions of the stomach. Next, after this, what happens to the food material when it passes into the small intestine? That will be, inshallah, in that will be our next topic, next lecture. This I complete here. This lecture I close it here, and next we shall meet, inshallah, tomorrow. That will be next lecture. Thanks to all of you. Stay home, stay safe.